I'm not sure you need to settle yourselves too much. Okay, Mr. Sandberg, my understanding is that all you're allowed to do is ask for continuance.
That's correct, Your Honor. As a result of the change in leadership, just this morning, I found out that we've been instructed that at appearances, we're just supposed to ask for a pause in litigation to allow the new leadership to evaluate the litigation.
Okay, all right. I assume counsel opposite doesn't object to that.
Your Honor, briefly, I have not had time. We found out about 7:30 this morning. I've not had time to confer with all of my clients to get a position on that. I would suggest that if the government is requesting a stay of the appeal, that they file a formal motion, which would give us a chance to respond to it.
Well, we do have this letter. Didn't you receive it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it says, counsel will meet and confer with appellees and provide a further update to the court as soon as practicable. Counsel has been instructed not to make any appearances, and then they, somewhere they do use informed about, blah, 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 except to seek a pause in proceedings.
Correct. I'm not entirely sure what a pause is, but we are happy to meet and confer and get back to the court quickly on that.
I think that's what you ought to do. Chief Judge, what do you say? Did you see the letter?
I think, yes, I've seen the letter, and I agree with the position that there should be a pause and that the attorney should confer, and then they should let us know whether or not there is a need for an oral argument in this case.
Will do, Your Honors. Thank you.
All right. It would be helpful if you could do it pretty quickly, but I realize I don't know whether that's practical or not. All right, then we will move on to what was